Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go over how to watch USA Network on Peacock. So this is the official usanetwork.com, and as you can see, Peacock is actually listed as a network here. Okay, you just need to go ahead and sign up to Peacock, and from there you are able to watch the USA Network, all of this. Okay, tons of TV shows, movies, originals, live, everything you can stream there, and the originals as well. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. You just come here and click on Peacock, okay, the bottom left, and you can go ahead and access according to their website. Okay, until next time, make sure to subscribe to frequently asked questions.